Afa in simple terms is divination in Igbo spirituality. According to Professor John Ume, author of After God is Dibia, there are over 80 methods of Afa divination. There's Afoji using kola nuts, Afoiguayoro using cowrie shells, and so on. The one which is most popular and according to many Dibias is most reliable is Afo Ogili, also known as Afa Akpokpala. This is the one I'll be talking about in this video. Before I start, here's a brief history of Afa Ogili. Once lived an Igbo woman who accurately read the minds of God, spirit, ancestors, men and women, stars, planets, and all that exists, and saw clear and accurate visions of what was, what is, and what would be. She was consulted on all problems, which she solved with precision and complete satisfaction. When the woman died, humanity was thrown into great chaos and confusion. A